Hello students, very good morning. Myself Rakesh Yadav, representing Sandipani Higher Secondary School Rajoda, and we are discussing class 12th related our chapter 6th, and we are doing exercise 6.5 of NCERT. Topic's name is application of derivatives, which is in short known as AOD, and up to 8th question we have done. It is 9th question. What is the maximum value of function sin x plus cos x? This type of question we have done in third question of third, but there only the limit is expressed at 0 to pi by 2. Here we can discuss it up to 0 to 2 pi. From 0 to 2 pi we can discuss. So in solution we have to write first of all, let f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. So on differentiating with respect to x, it will become f dash x is equal to cos x minus sin x. Now f dash x is equal to 0, so it can be written as cos x minus sin x is equal to 0, or we can say cos x is equal to sin x, that we have done already in our previous part also. So here it is 1 up is equal to sin x upon cos x, which can be written as tan x is equal to 1. Tan x is equal to 1 means what? Tan x is equal to tan pi by 4, or where one more place is there, in which quadrant? It is in all students take means tan and cot are positive there. So pi plus pi by 4, that is tan 5 pi by 4. Tan 5 pi by 4. Tan 5 pi by 4 value is also 1. So we may write x is equal to what? Pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. Now second derivative. Second derivative, that is f double dash x. F double dash x is equal to what? Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, and differentiation of sin x is cos x. So minus sin x minus cos x, or we can say f double dash x is equal to minus sign common, sin x plus cos x. At x is equal to pi by 4, f double dash pi by 4 is equal to minus sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. F double dash pi by 4 is equal to what? Minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 in bracket. So it will be 2 by root 2, which can be written as root 2. Pi by 4 is equal to minus 2 by root 2, which can be written as root 2 into root 2 upon root 2. So this root 2 is cancelled. Minus sign is also there. So f double dash pi by 4 is equal to minus root 2, which is less than 0. Therefore, because f double dash pi by 4 is less than 0, therefore maximum value at x is equal to pi by 4. At x is equal to pi by 4. So maximum value is equal to what? Maximum value is equal to f of pi by 4. F of pi by 4 means we have to put it in this function, given function. So it will be sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4 that is equal to 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 2. Here it was negative sign, but here in this case, here it is positive. So it will be 1 plus 1 by root 2 means 2 by root 2. So it will be 2 by root 2, or we can say root 2 into root 2 upon root 2. So this 1 root 2 is cancelled. So this maximum value is root 2. This is the answer. Maximum value is equal to root 2. No need to find minimum value, because maximum value only we have to discuss. But let us talk about this 5 pi by 4 also. If we do this as 5 pi by 4, then what will happen? If we write sin 5 pi by 4, means it is negative, and cos 5 pi by 4 is also negative, because all students take tan and cot are positive, remaining are negative. So that minus, this is negative quantity, this is negative quantity, and here it is minus. So it will become plus. So that is my minimum value we can say, and we have to discuss only the maximum value. That's why this is only the solution. Maximum value is root 2 at x is equal to pi by 4, and this question number 9th is now over. See, here we have to discuss question 10th. Find the maximum value of 2x cube minus 24x plus 107 in interval 1 comma 3. Find the maximum value of the same function in interval minus 3 comma minus 1 also. So, in solution, let f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 24x plus 107. On differentiating with respect to x, it will be f dash x is equal to what? 3 to the 6x square minus 24. This is first derivative. So, now f dash x is equal to 0. F dash x is equal to 0 means what? Here we have to write 6x square minus 24 is equal to 0, or we can say 6x square is equal to 24, or x square is equal to 24 upon 6, that is 4. So x is equal to plus minus 2, out of which x is equal to 2 is element of 1 comma 3. Here x is equal to 2 is the element of 1 comma 3. So we can find out value of this function, this given function, at which point? At 2 also, at 1 also, and at 3 also. We have to find f of 2 comma f of 1 and f of 3. So let us find these 3 points first of all. So it will be f of 2 is equal to what? F of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 cube minus 24 into 2 plus 107, and then f of 1 is 2 into 1 cube minus 24 into 1 plus 107, and f of 3 is equal to 2 into 3 cube minus 24 into 3 plus 107. So let us find this value. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, 2 to the 4 to the 8 and 8 to the 16, 16 minus 48 plus 107. So 16 and 7, that is 123 it will be. 16 and 7, 4, 3, 123 minus 48. 123 minus 48 is how much? 13 minus 5, 8 is 5, and here it is 11 minus 4 is 6, 65. 11 minus 4, sorry, 11 minus 4, that is 6 and 1, 7, 75. Here it is 75, solution of this part. Now let us find f of 1. It is 2 into 1 cube. 2 into 1 cube means what? 2 only. 2 minus 24, that is minus 22. Minus 22, 107 minus 22. So 7 minus 2 is 5, 10 minus 2 is 8. It is 85. Now at this point, it will be 3 3 the 9 3 the 27. Here it is 3 3 the 9 3 the 27. 27 2 the 54. 54 and 107. 161. 54 and 107. If we add 54 in it, so 7 4 11. 161 it is. 161 minus 24 3 are 3 4s are 12 and 3 2s are 6 and 1 7, 72. So it will be 11 minus 2, that is 9, and here it will become 5 now because 1 we have carried. So 15 minus 7, that is 3 5 8, 89. So it is 89. Which is the maximum value? This is the maximum value. This is 81. Now in interval 1 to 3, maximum value is equal to 81 at x is equal to 3. This is the maximum value. Only maximum value is asked. Now see, we have to discuss this maximum value here also between minus 3 and minus 1. But here one more thing is there, minus 2 is also there. X is equal to minus 2, which we have got here. Plus 2 we have discussed. So this minus 2 is in between minus 3 and minus 1. So it is element of minus 3 comma minus 1. So we have to find f of minus 2 comma f of 1 and f of minus 2, f of minus 3 and f of minus 1, f of minus 1 also. These three values we have to find again because it is in interval this, it is also asked. So in this interval minus 2 is also involved in it. So f of minus 2 is equal to 2 into minus 2 cube, that is minus 24 into minus 2 here, and then plus 107. So let us solve this. It will be minus 2 cube is 8, minus 8 into 2 is minus 16, minus 16 plus 48. So 48 minus 16, how much it is? 32. 32 and 107, 139. 139 is the value here, f of minus 2. Now let us find out f of minus 3. So f of minus 3 is equal to what? Here it is, this one is maximum, it is 85, no? F of 1 is equal to 85. 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27. 27 2s are 54. 54, 161. 161 minus. This is maximum value here, 85 at x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1. Let me do it once again. First of all, you discuss this. 2 into minus 3 whole cube and minus 24 into minus 3 and then plus 107. So it will be how much? Minus 3 cube is minus 27. Minus 27 2s are minus 54. Minus 54 plus 3 4s are 12 and 3 2s are 6 and 1 7, 74. Minus 64, 74 minus 64. 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27, 27 2s are 54. 74 minus 54, that is 20. 20, it is positive 20, so it will be 127. Okay. 20 is here because 24 3s are, it is 74. Sorry, 3 4s are 12 and 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. 72 it is, 72 and here it is 54. 72 minus 54, that is equal to how much? 12 minus 4 is 8 and here it is 6, 6 minus 5 is 18, here it is 18, 18 plus 107, 125, 125 here, and now f of minus 1 also we have to find. F of minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1 cube, minus 24 into minus 1 and here it is plus 107. So what it will be? It will be minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, minus 2 and here it is plus 24. So 24 minus 2 is 22, 22 into 22 and 107, 129, 22 and 107, it is 129. So this is the maximum value here. This is the maximum value here. So in interval minus 3 comma minus 1, maximum value maximum value is equal to 139 at x is equal to minus 2. This is another answer, 139 in this interval, minus 3 comma minus 1. Let us discuss this once again. Here somewhat confusion is there. Let us see. 1 cube, it is 1, 1 2s are 2, 2 minus 24, it is minus 22. 107 minus 22, 107 minus 22, it is 7 minus 2 is 5 and 10 minus 2 is 8. It is 85 only. This one is correct. Now let us discuss this also. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 27 2s are 54. 54 and here it is 54 and this one is 3 4 the 12 and 3 2 the 6 and 1 7. 72 minus 54, it is 6 and 12. 6 and 12, that is 18. 18 plus 107, it is negative, sorry, minus 18 it is, because it is negative. 12 minus 4 is 8 and 6 minus 5 is 4. 6 minus 5 is 1. So 18 here it is, negative 18. So 107 minus 18 is how much? 107 minus 18. 17 minus 8 is 9 and 9 minus 1 is 8. 89 it is. This one is 89. Okay, here it is mistake. 89 it is at x is equal to which point? At x is equal to 3. At x is equal to 3, it is 89. Let us discuss once again. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 27 2s are 54 and 24 3s are 72. 72 minus 54 is how much? 6 and 12, 18. So it is minus 18. 107 minus 18 is 89. So this is the correct answer for this. Because 1 we have carried here. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 89, it is the maximum value in interval 1 comma 3. So maximum value is 89 at x is equal to 3. So thanks a lot for watching our channel Sandipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda, and please do like it, subscribe it and share it.